Welcome to our research project focusing on equity, diversity, and inclusion in the Hamilton Fire Department, or HFD. We are grateful to have this chance to share our progress with you. We are fourth-year students in health sciences at McMaster, Shraddha, Amna, Leah, and Saif. We are supported by our supervisor, Shahad Al-saqqar, and by our community partner, Helen Klumpp. Before we detail our project, we'd like to describe the framework we are using. We are engaging in community-based research, or CBR, which we learned about in a community engagement class. In our case, CBR involves the collaboration of a community organization with student researchers to better understand and work toward resolving the issue.
The Hamilton Fire Department's workforce doesn't currently reflect the diversity of the community it serves. Groups such as women, racialized people, and those with disabilities are underrepresented. Identifying and employing appropriate strategies within an EDI lens will allow for the development of a skilled and diverse workforce in the Hamilton Fire Department. This project is also aligned with the City of Hamilton's focus on building a workforce that is representative of the community using an EDI framework. Research questions we were provided are listed on the screen. As our project grows, we hope to hone in on a single research question. As well, the language and scope of our question may change. As mentioned earlier, Helen Klumpp is our community partner for this project. Helen is the Hamilton Fire Department's executive officer, and she cares deeply about both diversity and a culture of inclusion in the workforce. We are grateful to work with her in all aspects of the project listed on the screen.
We first wanted to become oriented to the project. To be mindful of Helen's time, we tried to look for available resources where possible and turned to her for information we couldn't find elsewhere. After this orientation, we worked to develop a project agreement and shared this with Shahad and Helen for review. Openly sharing our expectations and giving our community partner the opportunity to share theirs helps the project create benefits for everyone involved and is more equitable. We're now thinking about what our primary research will look like. However, to maximize its benefits, we must ensure that the project design is evidence-based, so we're doing secondary research that can inform our methodology.
There are three main categories of research we have looked into so far: methodology, the EDI situation in Hamilton, and other literature concerning our topic. We have learned a lot through this process, but we will list a key takeaway from each category. For methodology, different data collection methods work for different situations. For example, interviews can help when the topic is complex and requires a lot of detailed information gathering. For EDI in Hamilton, various groups are underrepresented in the City of Hamilton workforce. However, the city is taking steps to advance EDI in its departments. For other literature, fire service employment barriers may include language, knowledge gaps, and a lack of representation in recruitment materials. Some of our future steps include developing an ethics proposal, recruiting participants, collecting and analyzing data, and the creation of deliverables. Our projected timeline can be seen here. We're really excited to see where this project goes and hope that it will benefit the Hamilton community. Thank you so much for listening.
And here are our references.